Hey, it's Greg Luther, and listen, as you can see behind me, I've got some guys that are doing extremely well in real estate. I have with me here Mr. David Reeker from Maryland, who has been with our system here for, how long have you been with our system?
A little over a year.
Little over a year, doing over $50,000 a month now. We're creating a campaign, I'll give you a little sneak peek here, at over $100,000 a month in revenue. So if you're a real estate agent and you've been thinking, how in the world do I get leads? How do I turn them into money? When we spend a blueprint day together, when we spend a day creating a blueprint around how you're going to create success for yourself, we give you the tips, the tools, the strategies on how to put it together and even write the sales copy together. So they've made the trip to come see me and spend the day with me in a blueprint day. Currently doing 50 grand a month. We're shooting for 100 grand a month. You guys think we'll get there?
Yeah, I know it.
We're going to get to 100 grand a month. More news to come. Anyway, hopefully you're out there selling some real estate today. If there's anything I can do for you, reach out to me. Direct message us here. If you've got an agent that you know that's struggling right now, you might want to share this video with them. Let them know there's agents out there doing the right things to create some success for themselves. Go out there and sell a house. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.